Hi guys, I am Sonali. Welcome to our YouTube channel. Today in this video, I will explain how to convert a character array to a string in Java. Now let's start the program. Now see here, first of all, I will declare public class character array to string. Public class character array to string. Then I will declare main method public static void main in bracket string args. In that I will take a string. I will take character ch is equal to first character is G, then second character is O, then next character O, then next character is D, then space, then next character is M, then next character is O, then next character is R, then next character is N, then next character is I, then next character is N, then next character is G, then semicolon. There are two ways to convert a character array to string in Java. First way is creating a string object by passing array name to the constructor, and second way is using value of method of string class. Okay, first way is creating string object by passing array name to the constructor is string str is equal to new string in bracket character ch, then semicolon. Then I will print message system dot out dot println in bracket str, then semicolon. Then second way, using value of method of string class, string str2 is equal to string dot value of in bracket character ch, then semicolon. Then I will print message system dot out dot println in bracket str2. Now we will run this program and check output. Now see here, output is good morning. So this is about program. Thank you.
Hopefully you might have enjoyed the lecture. Then please do like the video and know your thoughts in comments. Please do share this video among your friends and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. After subscription you can press the bell icon to never miss the notification regarding our new videos. Thank you so much.